Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given. Is Mogo a legitimate financial services company? The simple answer is yes, Mogo is a legitimate company. It's a Canadian financial technology company that is publicly traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. This public listing requires them to meet certain standards of transparency and financial reporting, which adds a layer of credibility. They offer a range of products including loans, credit score monitoring, and investment services. However, legitimacy doesn't always equal the best option for everyone. While Mogo is a real company, customer reviews and financial experts have raised some important points to consider. Many users report high interest rates, especially for those with lower credit scores. Some reviews also mention issues with customer service and a lack of transparency in their loan terms. So, while Mogo is a real and regulated business, it's crucial to understand their specific products and terms before you commit. Always read the fine print, compare their offers with other financial institutions, and make sure their services align with your personal financial goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.